Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about bed making. It's very important when you work as a nursing staff in the any organizations and any nursing homes. Bed making is an important nursing skill that help maintaining cleanliness, comfort and safe for the patient. It involves properly arranging bed sheet, pillow and blanket to create a neat and hygiene environment. In unoccupied bed is made when the patient is not present, ensure it clean and ready for use. In occupied bed, the bed is made while the patient is still laying on it, with careful attention to avoid discomfort or injury. Proper bed making help prevent infections, promoting rest and improve the overall well-being of the patients. There are the two types of the bed making. Unoccupied bed. Bed is made when no patient is laying on it. An unoccupied bed is made when no patient is laying on it. This type of bed making is done to keep the bed clean, neat and ready to use. It helps making hygiene, prevent infections, provide a comfortable environment for patient when they return or for a new patient. Occupy bed. Bed is made when patient is on the bed. An occupied bed is made when patient laying on the bed. This type of bed making is done carefully without disturbing or causing comfortable to the patient. Nurse ensure that patient safe, comfort and dignity while changing, sit and arrange the bed. It helps maintain cleanliness, prevent infections and improve the patient comfort. First, unoccupied bed making. Unoccupied bed making is the process of preparing bed when it empty to keep it clean, neat and ready for use. It helps maintain hygiene and provide comfortable environment for patients. For this cleaning bed sheet are used along with the drawer sheet of the protect the mattress and keep it the wrinkleless free. A pillow cover is placed on the pillow, ensure cleanliness and comfort. A blanket can be added if need, depend on the weathers or patient requirement. Waterproof sheet is also used protect mattress from any flood or spill. Proper arrangement of this item ensure safe cleanliness and readiness of the bed. What is the process of the bed making? The procedure of unoccupied bed making start with proper hand hygiene. So the nurse should wash hand and wear glove if need. Dirty line is then removed carefully to avoid the spread of infections. After that, mattress is cleaned to maintain hygiene. A clean bathroom seat is spread every over the bed, make sure there are no wrinkles. The waterproof seat and drawer seat are placed in the middle area of the bed protections. The seat are then checked properly using hospital concerns to keep them secure and neat. Next, top sheet and blanket are placed and require a clean pillow cover put on the pillow and it arranged properly. Finally, bed is checked to ensure it look neat, clean, wrinkles free, provide the comfort and safety for the patients. What is the purpose of bed making? Because bed making is to play a very important role. It's unoccupied bed making to maintain proper hygiene and cleanliness in the patient environment. It helps preventing infections by ensuring that clean and fresh line in use. Another important purpose, it keep bed ready for new patient or use whenever needed. Proper bed making also provide comfort, creating a neat and smooth surface that supports rest and well-being. Second, occupy bed making. Occupy bed making is the process of making bed while patient is still laying on it. Without causing any discomfort or harm, it requires carefully handling to ensure patient safety, comfort, and dignity through the procedure. Nurse change the line, gently support the patient during moments, and keep the bed clean and wrinkless free. This help maintain hygiene, prevent infections, and improve the patient's comfort. What is the process of the bed makings? The process of the occupy bed making being with washing hand and explaining the procedure to the patient to gain the other cooperations. Privacy should be provided by the using skin or curtain. This dirty line then lowers carefully and patient is a gentle turn on the side. Solid sheet is rolled toward the patient and clean sheet is placed on the empty side of the bed. Next, patient turn onto clean side. Allow the nurse remove the dirty sheet completely. Clean sheet is then spread properly, make wrinkless free. Pillow cover is changed and pillow are arranged comfortably. Finally, patient is made comfortable in proper seat position. The dirty line is disposed, safe and hand hygiene is performed again. The main purpose of bed making. The main purpose of bed making occur bed making the maintain cleanliness and hygiene with the patient still in the bed. It helps preventing bed sore by keeping the bed clean, dirty and remove the dirty, dry and wrinkles free. This procedure also ensure that patient remain comfortable without being disturbed or causing any discomfort. Overall, it helps improve the patient well-being by providing clean, safe and comfortable environment. Why is it important? Proper bed making whether occur on occupied and unoccupied bed is very important part of the nursing care. It's play a key role in the infection control by using that disease are not spread. A well-made bed also provide comfort to the patient by keeping surface smooth, dry and wrinkless free. This allow patient to rest and proper rest to patients and properties. This direct support faster recovery as comfort the clean environment, promote better sleep and handling. In this case of unoccupied bed, ensure that bed is ready and hygienic for the new patient. In occupied bed, nurse must be extra careful while changing the line without disturbing harming the patient. Proper technique is important to maintain patient safety, dignity and comfort at all times. A nurse must always perform bed making with the core following proper hygiene practice such as hand washing and safe handling of line. The professional behavior, attention to detail, caring attitude essential. So proper bed making not only maintaining cleanliness but also improve patients' quality cares, safety and overall being.